Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. My name's Matt, this is Wakey Two Wheels, and thanks for coming down and joining in with me. Today you join me on, sadly, a very overcast day, but still quite a warm day, still middle of summer. Nice cool breeze in the air, which means I can, after the last couple of weeks we've had, cool down a little bit, because it has been hot this last couple of weeks. Today is one of those weird days, you know, when you just feel like putting a lot of effort in. You like giving it your all. Because today I'm going all hog. Roll that music. Guys, something weird happened this week. Very weird. Now, my videos don't always come out in order, so I'm saying this now. To you, it might have been months ago, you know what I mean? But for me, as of videoing this video right now, a week ago I put a post out, and it was about the new policies about going into petrol stations with your helmet on. And it blew up overnight. It went a little mini viral. Yeah, the TikTok, phenomenal response to it. Good response on YouTube for my shorts, and then I also put it in my videos as well, and it skyrocketed compared to my other videos, should I say. It's not, I'm not talking big league, massive YouTuber, but I can't thank you enough for that response. I mean, it was mixed messages. As soon as I put that post up, well, it might be easier for me to start from the beginning. I went into a garage with my camera on, and the teller behind the counter said, as of next week we are going to be asking bikers to take the helmets off before we give fuel. I laughed. I said, you're going to get a lot of people kicking off about that. I didn't express my opinion. My opinion's in the video, in the long content video, but it's not on the short. Personally, I don't mind. I know a lot of people are going to be mad about that. Personally, I don't mind. It is to stop the bike thieves from getting fuel, and I do understand that not all bike thieves wear helmets, but it is face coverings. You know, they've got to take, if they're wearing balaclavas, they've got to take the balaclavas off before they will switch the pumps on, which is a good thing. It means it's not as easy for these little shits to get fuel and fuel up their stolen bikes. But mixed emotions on the comments. I had some people that were for it, some people that were against it, some people that didn't give a shit. Some people telling me, oh, it's like this, well, it's like this it's like this in my country all the time. Yeah, a lot of people very adding politics to it, saying, oh, it's all about the state of the country and stuff like that. It was just a tiny little short video. But thank you for the response. I wish all my videos could blow up like that, but one every now and again is not bad. In fact, just as I'm filming this right now, just as I'm saying this, I have just put my Yorkshire pudding rally video out, and I'm hoping that does well. I really like that video, but videos like that don't tend to do well generally. Anyway, onwards. Right, we seem to have some road work, so I thought I'd take a minute to talk to you guys. The place where we're heading I've ridden past it many times because it's on the way to the coast. So open this helmet up a bit. Never actually been inside. Looks beautiful, looks really beautiful. It is known by the bikers, but I would say it's a lesser known place if you don't bike around here. If you know what I mean? Does that make sense? If you're not a regular around here, it's probably not known to you. But anybody that goes to Scarborough, Bridlington, Whitby regularly, then they probably ride past it on a regular basis. I mean, it's been there long enough for it to have brown information signs outside, so it's been there a while. There we go. So nice to be nice and cool today. Like I said, the last couple of weeks have been so hot, like sweating down your back kind of hot. And this is lovely. Just give you a bit of a breather. Anyway, let's get on with some riding. Say the ride so far has been phenomenal. I don't know exactly which way it's taken me. It took me straight through the town centre of Wetherby. We're in Rufford right now. We went through a town called Bickerton or Bickerton. But yeah, what a lovely ride. And these churches I'm going past, like our old Anglo-Saxon churches, and look at that. Oh, look at this car, the Rolls Royce here. Look at you. I've pulled off onto Malton because my petrol lights come on, and this is the first time I've been for petrol since I put that video out. I don't know what kind of reception I'm going to get. Oh shit. Alright, well that petrol station's shut. Bastard. Alright. Of course it is. Right, here we are. Let's see what happens here. Pub 2, love, please. 1723. Ta, love. Card. Fantastic, love, thank you. So that was it. Yeah, that was in and out without having to take my helmet off. So, we are just going through Old Malton. The sat-nav says we are 4 minutes away. And I can't wait because I need to sit my ass down. I do wish the sun was out for this, but I have to say it's been lovely, lovely and cool. But you don't need sunshine on every trip here. I can see why bikers like this place, because it is out of the way and off the main roads. And it's still quite a, I wouldn't say a challenging ride, but it's a fun ride. Plenty of corners and stuff like that. And here we are. You'll see this brown sign. That's a sign for the whole hog. We'll indicate. Slow down a bit. There's plenty of people there. Right. Guys, I will get my crap together and show you around a bit. Look at the size of that brownie. That's my hand in comparison. That's amazing. Oh. That was a bit too much. Perfect, perfect. So this is us getting back on the bike, just about to set off and head back home. But what a beautiful little stop this is. Got all animals over there, got little Shetland ponies and that. Just said hello to pigs. Beautiful place, really beautiful place. I shall be coming here again. Anyway, let's get on with some riding, eh? So yeah, pulling away from the whole hog. And I will say to any of you right now that it is worth a stop, definitely worth a stop. Maybe get some speed up. That is an absolutely beautiful little farm shop and cafe. You've got a nice little cafe menu, hot and cold drinks, hot and cold food, lovely staff behind the counter, and you've got a little gift shop where you can get some gorgeous like biscuits and stuff like that, all farm made. And then next door to it there's a family butcher's where you can probably get meat straight off the farm. How fantastic is that? But yeah, well worth the stop is that place. The staff, bless her, I don't know her name, but she was lovely. She brought me I went and got a drink and a brownie, I think it was. She brought it out to me outside. Outside is a lovely place to sit. It's far enough away from the road that the road doesn't bother you. The place is dog friendly and it's beautifully clean inside. So the people at that cafe, you're doing a really good job. Keep doing it. This was just a quick in and out video today, not going down to the beach like I have been doing. Today was just a quick in and out video. I wanted to show you that place because it is a beautiful place, is that, and I wanted to show you it before we completely lost all the nice weather. I wanted to show you that place before we lost the nice weather, because we've gone through a few warm weeks and now as of today I think the weather's going to change a little bit and it's going to get a bit colder, and then I think it's going to get a bit hotter later on next month or something like that. I don't know. Summers in Britain are very weird if you're not from here. But yeah, I wanted to get that place in before the nasty weather got to us. The ride here, fantastic. Loved that ride. A really enjoyable ride, apart from a little bit of traffic near York, heading into York, sorry, because like I say, a lot of the roads are being developed, but that's not going to be there all the time. And if you come down here and all, there's plenty of other places to stop. There's lovely pubs I'm rolling past. Absolutely stunning places. So I think this is me signing off for the day. I wish you all the best. Keep your ass in the saddle and keep it off the tarmac. Please ride safe, and I will see you all in the next episode, wherever that might take me. I'll see you all later. Bye for now.